Welcome to Spirit Music Meetups. Mike Burris here. So we did some variety all the way across the table. And so the next step is to just now add one more stroke. All right. And this is just singles. We haven't even gone to doubles. Okay. So let's just get over to single stroke threes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we have accent possibilities. First stroke. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put a little pause after that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that you can get your stick up. All right, now you could take those spaces out. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. So I got some accent differences. How about accent on the left? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's put a space in there. 1 E-N, 2 E-Anda, E-Anda, 4 E-Anda, 1 E-Anda, 2 E-Anda, E-Anda, E-Anda. Funky is jerky is funky. How about putting an accent on the end, like a train? 1 E-N, 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 E-N. Train beat. 1, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. So there's a lot of accent possibilities just with single stroke. 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 E-N, 2 E-N, 1 E-N, 2 E-N, 1 E-N, 2 E-N, 1 E-N, 2 E-N. How about the E and the N? 1 E-N, or the 2 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All sounds different where you put your bass drum, right? You can start marching, you know. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Now we're on 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And then finally 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. So you get the idea. And so you're going to systematically add your flams. We're not going to go through them all, and your drags and your buzzes. Then when you're done, you're going to go down to the next level, single stroke 4. Fun. And so I think we've kind of worked through, just make sure we did some accents. You start the accent on the beginning, the second stroke, the third stroke, or if you get a lot of strokes, just say, hey, the accent on the beginning or the end or both. Keep it that simple. And I'm not going to go on the doubles, because that'll take too long. But basically, instead of 2 single strokes, you're going to have a double or a triple or a quadruple, right? And you're going to learn how to do flams, drags, you know. So you're going to flam the first right. There's your flam tap. And you're going to do the second stroke. You're going to work on the alternate side. You're going to learn to alternate. Flam tap, 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 flam tap. So all these things are chop builders, right? They all have names, or you can make up names. And then you're going to go to add one more stroke to that. Right, right, right. You can flam. Now it's called flam triple stroke. See how I'm alternating? So it's so cool, isn't it? You can just do this progressively. And you can get as complicated as you want. Flam the first, the second, third, the fourth strokes, flam, you know, you do all kinds of combinations. So I'm just doing long strings of doubles, triples, quadruples, whatever. And you can start then doing combinations of doubles and singles. And that gets more complicated. Right, right, left, or right, left, left. Or right, left, right. Right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. Because when you repeat it, you got a double in there. So think of all the ways you can combine doubles and a singles. Right, there's doubles. Now you can flam that. And now you got your flam tap. Alternating flam tap. And then you could tap tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam. These are called tap flams. Tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap, flam, tap. I'm flamming the second stroke of a flam tap. Isn't that something? Or flam both. Flam, 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 flam. Now, I don't think they call them flam flams. I think they're called double flams. Isn't that fun? There is not a dull moment in drumming. You're doing something wrong if you're not having fun. So you can systematically do the flams and the drags, inverted drag taps, tapping on the same side. Again, try different rhythms, try it on different sounds, add some variety, see where you're going to go with this. And again, systematically put your drags on the second stroke and then on both strokes, and keep doing this. And then finally getting over to the buzzes. So you got, so I'm buzzing the first stroke, but not the second. I don't know what they call this. Takes your fingers off and then back on. Off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Try buzzing the second stroke. Da, da, da. Looks like an inverted double. I can't do it with the thumb on the top too well. Ha. I keep my finger on. You got to get your finger off if you want to buzz. Well, that was a workout. So, took too much time off from my drumming to deal with all these house projects. Well, I sure appreciate your time with me, and maybe I'll break this up in 2 videos, but this was so fun, and it's a great way to learn to expand your rudiments systematically instead of just jumping all over the place. Just systematically work across the page and just keep putting your stuff in your drum journal, because you'll get back to it later and you'll see new things about it. God bless you. Look forward to your comments so we can spread the love. Spread the love. Man, the world is just falling apart because of self-centeredness. Don't you see it? Everybody's just looking out for number one. All these politicians padding their bank accounts. So God bless you. I look forward to a drum community that does help one another. So spread the love, spread the word, and get the comments out there to help other people.